Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my daily unboxing of the 2022 May Paper Co. Advent Calendar. I said that all the way wrong, but anyway. Let's take a look. Today is day 4. If you want to take a look at the first video in the series, this is number 4 of what will be 13, maybe 14. I'll explain later. Daily videos. Let's get into this one. This one's a bit... okay, I'm not sure what's in this one. Let's take a look. See if I can get into this one. Sorry, it's been a bit of a long week and I'm a bit scattered. Ooh. Okay, all right. Oh, okay, so they're called the Check It Off sticky notes. We've got, actually, let me get this out of here. Okay, so we've got the Check It Notes sticky notes. They are sticky along the left-hand seam. So they're sticky along this side. We've got space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to-dos, and then a grid section at the bottom so that you can write down any notes. I really like that for like a cute little daily to-do list. This is cool. I really hope this one comes into the shop. I'm so going to end up using it. It is a little bit taller than a normal, like a standard size sticky note. See if I've got one laying around. My desk is a bit of a mess at the moment. Okay, so that's your standard sticky note right there. And if we look, it's this a little bit narrower than your standard sticky note, and it's a bit taller, so pretty cool. I like this. These ones are definitely going to end up in my planner for next year. Really happy with that. Okay, that's day 4. Come back tomorrow to check out what's in day 5. I'll see you then. Have a good one. Stay safe. Bye.